Hey, 皆さん、こんにちは、まいちゃんです。新年明けましておめでとうございます。今年もよろしくお願いします。This is not my first video of the year, but I just forgot to add a greeting on my last video. Sorry for the late greeting. So, welcome to part 3 of my Fukubukuro unboxing. Today, we're going to do an unboxing of the Nature Republic's Fukubukuro. Ito yung pinakamalaking Fukubukuro na na-purchase ko this year. Na-purchase ko rin siya sa Q10. Ang laman ng box na to is lahat skincare products. So this is the Fukubukuro that I purchased. Meron silang 2 options and I got this box. So the original price of this box is 7,395 but I got a coupon. So I only purchased it for 6,656 yen. And sabi niya dito, ang items na nandun sa loob ng box cost 24,460 yen. So, oh my goodness. Sobrang laking Fukubukuro nito. Medyo marami yung items na nasa loob. So, today we're going straight to unboxing. Yes! Pag binuksan niyo yung box, ganito siya. May makita kayong papapel sa loob. Tadan! Okay. Ayan siya. Ang laki. So, the first item that we got here is the Sika Green Derma Mild Sika Mud Pack. This is a pore intensive care mud pack with mung bean powder and clay. Helps remove dead skin cells and impurities and it suits skin by Sika substance. Okay, lahat tong products na to is first time kong matetry. So, I'm very excited kasi gusto ko rin i-upgrade yung aking skincare game. Okay, so ganito siya. Nasa tube lang siya. Alam ko, random item siya na included sa box. The next item is the VITAPAIR C Blending Serum Mist. A 2-in-1 serum mist that brightens and revitalizes dull skin with a subtle gloss just by spraying it with Jeju green lemon and vitamin C ingredients. Itong item na to is, ikaw yung mamimili kung alin yung gusto mo. Ito yung choices. Ito yung pinili ko. And meron din sila, so, this is a freebie pouch. Random din kung ano yung item na included sa box. So, thank you, Nature Republic! So, yung mga items kanina, mga freebies lang yon. Ito yung totoong Fukubukuro. Oh my goodness! Talagang naka-box pa siya. And very Christmas theme siya. Medyo lagpas na tayo sa Christmas. So, pag inopen niyo yung box, nakalagay, Happy Holidays with Nature Republic. Tapos may papapel na naman siya sa loob. Oh my goodness, ang daming product na sa loob. So, unahin natin to. This is the VITAPAIR C Foam Cleanser. Sabi lang niya dito, it's a foam cleanser with fresh Jeju lemon plus vitamin C. Walang nakalagay na English, but it's okay, it's okay. So, the next item is naka-bubble wrap pa. But this is the VITAPAIR C Daily Mask Sheet. This is a daily sheet mask with Jeju green lemon and Centella asiatica. Ang sabi niya dito, helps skin relax and luminous. Medyo hindi ako sure doon, pero yun yung sabi niya. So, meron siyang 30 pieces of sheets sa loob. I love face mask, kaya gagamit ko talaga to. So, the next item is VITAPAIR C Cleansing Balm. Contains Jeju lemon and Centella asiatica extract. Removes dark makeup and skin impurities to provide pleasant and fresh cleansing. So, I never tried a cleansing balm before. Puro cleansing oil lang yung ginagamit ko. Ito siya. Ang bango! Amoy lemon! I love skincare na merong vitamin C. Ito yung biggest item na nandun sa box. 3 items yung nasa box. This is the vitamin C plus retinol. Nakalagay dito, only in Q10. 3 set siya ng products. And ang cute nung lalagyan Pag binuksan niya siya, meron pang freebie sa loob. Meron pang included na mask sheet sa loob. This is this VITAPAIR C 7 Days Whitening Sheet. So, meron siyang 7 sheets sa loob. Okay, I'm not sure. So, moving on to this. Okay, ito muna tayo. This is the VITAPAIR C Dark Spot Serum. Naka-Korean, so I really don't know kung ano yung claims niya. I really need new serums more. So, let's try it. Serum siya pero hindi siya ganun ka-heavy and super fast absorbing. Ang sarap ng feel kapag in-apply mo siya sa skin. Ang smooth-smooth ng skin mo. Next is the VITAPAIR C Dark Spot Cream. So, ito naman cream siya. Okay, cream siya pero more of a gel-like texture. And meron din siyang small yellow particles. Wow! Cream siya pero hindi siya ganun ka-heavy sa skin. And it blends really nicely with the serum. Pag in-apply nyo siya sa skin, parang ang smooth-smooth ng skin nyo. Oh my goodness, I love it! So, the last product na nandun sa tube. So, this is the Wrinkle Vita A Spot Pro. Provides solution to skin by liposome, retinol, and 4 times complex. Okay, so aminin na natin, medyo tumatanda na tayo. Kailangan ko na rin talaga ng anti-wrinkle skincare. Lagay din natin siya dun sa kanina. Yellow cream siya. Alam niyo yung ang rich ng consistency niya and you'll really feel na meron kang nilagay na skincare dun sa skin mo. And this is the last item. So this is the SNAIL Solution Skin Booster. Brightening and Wrinkle Improvement. So ito, perfect duo tong dalawang to. Ang laki nung bottle. An intensive skincare line that contains snail secretion filtrate extracted from pristine nature. It provides ultra hydration, nourishment, and vitality to the skin while keeping the optimal moisture balance. And also, meron pa sila ditong freebies na mga trial pack. VITAPAIR C Daily Mask Sheet. And this is the VITAPAIR C Dark Spot Serum. And also, meron din tayong Artemisia Extra Soothing Cream. Okay, so that's it. Ito na lahat yung items na included dun sa box. All in all, meron tayong 11 items dun sa box. And I think I really got a good deal out of this. Grabe. I'll try to give it a review but I'll use it for the time being and to see kung ano yung mangyayari sa skin ko kapag ginamit ko siya. But I'll update you guys. I also did a series of Fukubukuro unboxing on my channel. If you haven't watched those, I will link them down below. Please check them out. And also hit the like button and sa channel Toraku Irashika onegaishimasu. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Chane! Bye-bye!